Take. So every Sunday we are conducting the test here. So this class is about discussion of that test. That was on last Sunday. So come to question number 1. Question number 1 is regarding Buddha and Buddhism. So consider the following statements about Buddhism. So you have 3 statements, and which of the following are correct? The 3 statements you have here. 3 statement है, तीनों में कौन कौन करेक्ट है उसको देखना है. ठीक है. नंबर 1, according to Buddha, cravings means desires, was not limited to physical desires but also included the desire for rebirth. So in Buddhism, we discussed in the class that according to Buddhism, why we have the sorrow? The main cause of sorrow is desires. So once desire is stopped, you are free from the sorrow. So this statement is correct. This is correct. Clear? We also discussed in the class that Buddhism is one of the few religions in the world which do not accept the concept of Atma or soul. So it rejects the notion of the soul, and this is also correct. So 1 is correct, 3 is correct. Now come to second statement. According to Gautam Buddha, the main cause of sorrow is desire. So how to free yourself from desires, for which Gautam Buddha prescribed 8-fold path, 8 paths. And these 8 paths are called as Ashtangika Marga. So these 8-fold paths are about good conduct, ठीक है, good belief as well, knowledge as well, wisdom as well. It means the 8-fold path is concerned here only with ethical conduct. It is not only with ethical conduct, it is also with other knowledge, belief, wisdom and all. Means this is incorrect. So answer will be, so second is incorrect. Means this is incorrect. This is incorrect. You have to choose in between C and first. So this both the principles are basic well-known principles in Buddhism. It means 1 and 3 is correct. Hence answer will be A. Clear? This was a simple question, not the tough question. Next. Next question is, have the statements. How many statements? Again 3. 3 statements. And these statements are about Buddhist Sangha. Buddhist Sangha, monastic order or community. Sangha. Buddhist Sangha. So in Buddhism, we have the lay followers and we have the monk. So monk have to live in a separate place called Vihara in a Sangha, order, monastic order. So this question is regarding monastic order, monks. So 3 statements, and which are correct statements. Statement number 1, in the early Buddhist Sangha, women were accepted later and with special conditions. So we taught in the class that Gautam Buddha was hesitant to induct women into Sangha. But later on, by persuasion, Gautam Buddha allowed women to become the monk. Who persuaded Gautam Buddha to induct the women into monastic order? Who? Mother of Gautam Buddha, Gautami. Gautami means this statement is correct. Later Gautam Buddha allowed the women to become Vikonij. Yes. Yes, yes. So this is correct. So this is correct. Means one is correct. Means you have three options. Means this is ruled out. B is ruled out because in B we don't have first. Okay? Or the best way is to, next is the rules of the Sangha were compiled in Vinay Pitak. So we have three Pitakas. Vinay Pitak is about the rules for the monks. Sut Pitak is teaching of Gautam Buddha. Abhidhamma Pitak is Buddhist philosophy. I mean, this is also correct. So 1 and 2 is correct. So you have 2 here. You have to select either C option or D option. Clear? Because this is ruled out, both cannot be. Now come to third statement. In Buddhist Sangha, how decisions were arrived. So here we have Sangha. So Sangha discussed the matters accepted for the monks. So in case of any dispute regarding the consensus, we have meeting of the Sangha. We have meetings of the Sangha, and how this meeting took place. Only when the 10% of the Buddhist monks were present, and this was called as quorum. If Buddhist monks are less than 10%, we don't have the meeting of the Sangha. So meeting of the Sangha will happen only when minimum 10% monks participated. So this was called as quorum. And decision were taken only in the case of consensus, means unanimity or consensus. So if we have division of the monks, this was decided through voting, and after the voting, it can go to the committee as well. Means this is also correct. Means answer will be D. Clear? So this is how you can arrive at your answer through elimination technique and through other knowledge. Knowledge comes first. Without knowledge, you cannot pass your exam. So knowledge comes first. Next, this again is about statements about Buddhism. Buddhist Sangiti means Buddhist councils. How many Buddhist councils? We had 4 Buddhist councils. First, second, third, and fourth. So this is regarding 4 Buddhist Sangitis or Buddhist councils. Okay? The aim of the first Buddhist council was to preserve Buddha teachings through oral tradition. Correct or incorrect? First Buddhist council, where happened? So Patliputra was third Buddhist council. First Buddhist council, where happened? Rajgir. And during the time, there were no writing. So all Buddhist books were oral books. And first Buddhist council was to collect teachings of Gautam Buddha. And on that basis, memorization, compilation of the books. So all the books were oral books. It means first statement is correct. Because in first Buddhist council, Buddha teachings were compiled orally. And who compiled Buddha teachings? Disciples of Gautam Buddha, like Ananda, Upali, disciples of Gautam Buddha. So first statement is correct. It means 1, 2, and 3. Mean this cannot be. B is ruled out because first is correct. Then we have to choose between A, B, and D. Okay? So some of the questions you have to know all the 3 statements. But in some of the questions, we can arrive at a conclusion only by knowing 1 option or 2 options. Now come to second. only after the fourth Buddhist council did formal division into Mahayana, Hinayana happen. Fourth Buddhist council, where happened? Kashmir, in Jammu and Kashmir. And we discussed in the class that in the fourth Buddhist council, Mahayana Buddhism was born. Means Hinayana Mahayana appeared in after fourth Buddhist council. And we also discussed in the class who was the founder of Mahayana Buddhism. Nagarjuna, not Nagsena. Nagasena was different. Nagarjuna was different. Both were two Buddhist different monks. It means second is also correct. Clear? It means B is incorrect. B is incorrect. Now you have to choose in between A and D. Now come to second Buddhist council. Where second Buddhist council was held? Where? Which place? Vaisali. And we discussed in the class that in the second Buddhist council, it was regarding dispute regarding code of conduct for Buddhist monks. It means third is also correct. Means answer will be D. So in this question, you have to know all the three statements. All the three statements. So you master your Jainism and Buddhism in ancient India. Because majority of the questions, almost every year, they will ask from either Buddhism or Jainism or both. Clear? Now come to question number 4. This again is regarding a statement. A statement regarding Buddhism. Again, how many statements you have? 3. So out of 3 statements about Buddhist philosophy, this is regarding Buddhist philosophy. Statement number 1. Statement number 1. The doctrine of Atma, doctrine of Anatta, rejects the idea of permanent soul. That is very often in Buddhism we have no any concept of a soul, and this concept is called as Anatta doctrine, no Atma. In Jainism we have belief in Atma. In Hinduism we have belief in Atma. In Christianity, whether we have belief in Atma, yes or no? Yes. In Islam, yes. So Buddhism is one of the few religions in which no any concept of Atma. Means first is correct. Now come to second. The concept of Nirvana or Nibbana. Concept of Nirvana or Nibbana represents complete nothingness. Complete nothingness. When you get Nirvana or Nibbana. Nibbana is the Pali word or Nirvana is the Sanskrit word. So when anybody can get Nibbana or Nirvana, complete cessation from desires. So there is no any concept of nothingness. That is the complete bliss. That is Nirvana. And the root cause of suffering is ignorance. That is the root cause. Means first is correct, third is correct. So 1 and 3 only. So this is incorrect. So this is ruled out. This is ruled out first. This is also ruled out. So answer will be C. ठीक है? Answer will be 3. Because in Buddhism, desire is the cause of the sorrow. And how this desire comes? Because of ignorance. Because of ignorance. And how to remove the ignorance? Eightfold path. Right conduct, right knowledge, belief, wisdom and all. Means answer will be 1 and 3 only. C. Okay. Now come to question number 4, 5. Question number 5th question. 5th. This is regarding Jainism. According to Jains, the soul is inherently pure but becomes bound because of karmic particles. In the class we talked about Jainism belief in soul. Jainism belief in soul. Okay? This soul was pure soul. But the soul exists in the universe. So because of interaction with the universe, lot of impurities grafted on the soul. Because of soul interaction in the universe, impurities comes on the soul. So the basic teaching is how to annihilate that impurities. That is Jain teaching. It means first statement is correct. Jainism belief in soul. Soul was initially pure soul. But because of interaction in the universe, lot of impurities, desires comes on the soul. So the basic teaching is how to annihilate, how to remove all the impurities from the soul. That is Jainism. And first statement is correct. Second, and once impurities removed from the soul will become pure soul. And this is called as Jain Tirthankar. Jain Tirthankar with purest soul. Okay? So once, what is Kaivalya? In Jainism, Kaivalya is enlightenment. In Buddhism, Nirvana or Nibbana is enlightenment. In Jainism, this is called as Kaivalya. So even after Kaivalya, the soul remains active in the world. Not after Kaivalya, soul will not remain active in the universe. It means second is incorrect. Second is incorrect means D is ruled out. B is ruled out. So you have to choose 1 and C and A. So now we have to come 3 statement. Third, in Jain thought, karma is considered a subtle physical substance. Yes, karma, basic theories regarding the karma. What karma you have to do? It means 1 and 3 is correct. Means answer will be A. 1 and 3. ठीक है. Next. सॉरी, हाँ, बुद्धिज्म में बोलते थे इस बर्थ में जो कर्म करोगे, अगर अच्छा कर्म करोगे तो रीबर्थ में अच्छा रीबर्थ होगा, और बैड कर्म करोगे तो जो रीबर्थ होगा वो खराब होगा. सपोज यू आर ह्यूमन बीइंग इन दिस बर्थ and you are doing very bad deeds in this birth. In the rebirth, you may become a pig, animal. तो बोलते थे बुद्धिज्म जैनिज्म दोनों में कर्म को बताया गया है. एंड कर्म इज द बेसिस ऑफ योर रीबर्थ. ठीक है, क्लियर है ये. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर conceptual questions regarding Buddhism and Jainism. Now come to question number 6. Question number 6. ठीक है सबका. Question number 6. Again we have statements. How many statement? 3. 3 statements. ठीक है. About Jain, 3 jewels, 3 Ratna called as Ratnayana or 3 Ratna, 3 jewels in Jainism. ठीक है. First statement is Samyak Darshan in Jainism means attainment of complete knowledge. The basic theory of Jainism is not the complete knowledge, good conduct, and not only the knowledge. Knowledge also important, but conduct is very, very important. In this conduct, you have to live a very painful life, austere life. More austere the life is, more importantly, you can attain Kaivalya. ठीक है. It means this statement is incorrect. Means C is incorrect, A is incorrect, D is incorrect. Means only will be 2. Only will be 2. Only by first. The concept of Syadvad is inherent in Samyak, right knowledge. So this was simple question, easy question. Question number 7. Again statements. You have the statements about Syadvad, Jain doctrine of conditional predications. Syadvad, suppose this is a thing, कोई भी चीज है, इस चीज को we can perceive this thing through 7 perspectives. So this is called as Syadvad. So Syadvad is Jain philosophy. Like for example, somebody is a Hindu who believes that this thing is because of this belief. Somebody is a Buddhist. They believe that no, this is because of something different. I am a Jain. I believe that this thing is because of some different thing. So Jainism believes that every belief is correct. So we can perceive the thing through 7 perspectives. So this is why, because of Jain concept of toleration. Jain respects belief of Buddhist, belief of Hindu as well, through Syadvad doctrine. Clear है? Means it accepts multidimensional nature of reality. Yes, multidimensional. How many dimensions? 7. 7 dimensions. Means first is correct. Means this may be, or this may be. Means this is ruled out. This is ruled out. Now come to second. Saptabhangi Nyaya is a logical expansion of Syadvad. The aim of Syadvad was to establish a definite final truth. Not, cannot be. This cannot be. Not final, definite truth. Because we have 7 perspectives. So truth could be through 7 perspectives, not one definite. Means third is incorrect. Then come to this is incorrect. This is incorrect. This is incorrect. So the answer will be C only. Very easy. ठीक है? This is incorrect. Third is incorrect. Means A is incorrect. B is incorrect. D is incorrect. So only answer is what? C. अगर A incorrect है, third incorrect है. अगर एक मालूम है हमको, ये third incorrect है, आंसर आ जाएगा. Because A में भी third है, B में भी third है, D में भी third है. तो only option is C. जिसमें third नहीं है, तो एक ही तो बचता है, तो वही होगा. तो forget about first and second. थर्ड से हो जाएगा. क्लियर है? Syadvad is clear. Next, Next again is regarding Jainism. सही है गलत है सबका? ठीक नहीं है? कितना परसेंटेज आपका आ रहा है? कितना? हाउ मेनी? कितना करेक्ट परसेंटेज है अभी तक? ठीक ठाक है ना? 50%? If you score 50%, you are through. 50% करना है. You cannot do 100%. You have to score 50% at least. Comfortable score है 50%. Next, question number 8. Again we have statements about Mahavira. Who was Mahavira? 24th Jain Tirthankar Mahavira ji. So now come to Mahavira statements. A statement regarding Vardhaman Mahavira. First is 3 statements. And correct answer. Correct. Not incorrect. Correct. कहीं लिखा होगा correct, कहीं लिखा होगा incorrect. So read carefully what they are actually asking for, whether correct statements or incorrect statements. Only then you can arrive at a conclusion. इसको ठीक से पढ़ना पहले. सब में करेक्ट भी नहीं होता है, कहीं कहीं इनकरेक्ट भी होगा. तो इनकरेक्ट होगा तो इनकरेक्ट बताना होगा, करेक्ट होगा तो करेक्ट बताना होगा. ठीक है? So first statement is Mahavira prescribed the same code of conduct for the householders and ascetics. सही है गलत है? गलत है. Because Mahavira prescribed, for example, brahmacharya, celibacy, and this brahmacharya is for home, only for the monk, ascetics, and not for the householders. Not. It cannot be the same. For example, no sexual intercourse, brahmacharya, no marriage, only for ascetics and never for the householders. It means first is incorrect. So first is incorrect. ये नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा. तो बचता क्या है? एक ही बचता है. ठीक है? एक ही बचता है. आंसर विल बी ए. 2 and 3. तो फॉरगेट अबाउट ये 2 क्या है और 3 क्या है स्टेटमेंट. अगर एक ठीक से मालूम है तो एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. ठीक है? ठीक किए हो गलत किए हो आप लोग? करेक्ट है? करेक्ट है? देखो ये बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. अगर ये इनकरेक्ट कर दिया हो तो थोड़ा यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव. कई बार क्लास में पढ़ाया था कि जैनिज्म में 5 प्रिंसिपल्स है. 5th डॉक्ट्रिन वाज एडेड बाय वर्धमान महावीरा एंड 4 वाज बाय होम. 5 doctrines in Jainism. So 4 doctrines was given by which Jain Tirthankar? 23rd Parshvanath ji, and 5th was added by Vardhaman Mahavir ji. And that is regarding Brahmacharya. And Brahmacharya was only for ascetics, monk, not for householders. So this was very simple. Next page. थोड़ा बुलाइए किसी को. How to scroll next page. माउस पे. हाँ नहीं होगा ना. अच्छा ओके ठीक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 अगेन स्टेटमेंट्स कंपेयरिंग बुद्धिज्म एंड जैनिज्म. दोनों को कंपेयर करना है रिगार्डिंग 3 स्टेटमेंट्स एंड चूज द करेक्ट आंसर. करेक्ट कौन है and not the incorrect? Correct. So first statement is both religions opposed Vedic sacrifice and tradition. करेक्ट है, एकदम करेक्ट है, दिस इज करेक्ट. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, both rejected concept of soul, cannot be, because Buddhism reject, Jainism accept. तो ये तो इनकरेक्ट है, मतलब दिस इज कैनॉट बी द आंसर, दिस कैनॉट बी द आंसर. ठीक है, तो चूज करना है सी और ए में. नाउ कम टू थर्ड, बोथ एक्सेप्टेड कर्मा एंड रीबर्थ. यस, पहले ही अभी बताया था कि द मेन बेसिस इज व्हाट, कर्मा. बोथ एक्सेप्ट, Jainism, Buddhism, both, means answer will be A, first and 3. ठीक है, क्लियर है. नेक्स्ट, next is again statements. Again we have the statements about early Buddhist and Jain art. early Buddhist and Jain art. early Buddhist लिखा हुआ है, early Buddhist and Jain art. early Buddhist and Jain art. ठीक है. In early Buddhism, Gautam Buddha was represented only symbolically. Yes, because symbols, various symbols. Like for example, wheel, symbol of what? Gautam Buddha giving teachings, sermons. Wheel. Horse, for what? Renunciations. Gautam Buddha left the home on a horse, and this is correct. ठीक है, have to choose the correct answer. मतलब B cannot be, B is incorrect, तो उसमें एक है ही नहीं. ठीक है. Now we have left with 1, C and D, A, C and D. Now come to second statement. ठीक है, या थर्ड देख लो पहले. Now come to third, Mathura art. Mathura art was regarding Buddhism, but इसमें लिखा हुआ है कि मथुरा आर्ट स्टाइल डेवलप्ड एक्सक्लूसिवली फॉर बुद्धिज्म. कैनॉट बी, क्योंकि मथुरा आर्ट में जैन का भी स्टैचू है. ठीक है, जैन का भी स्टैचू है मथुरा आर्ट में, मीन्स थर्ड इज इनकरेक्ट. तो ये तो नहीं होगा, सी नहीं होगा, ए भी नहीं होगा, डी पहले ही नहीं है, ओनली आंसर विल बी डी, 1 and 2 ओनली. ठीक है, बिकॉज मथुरा आर्ट में जैन का भी स्टैचू है, जैन तीर्थंकर्स भी है, बट मेन थीम इज बुद्धिज्म. बुद्धिज्म में कौन सा, महायाना और हीनायाना? महायाना. एंड हु पैट्रोनाइज्ड मथुरा आर्ट? Which dynasty patronized Mathura art? कुशानाज, मेनली कुशानाज. ठीक है. सो 10, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 मॉडरेट है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. जहां भी लिखा एक्सक्लूसिवली, ओनली, मतलब चांसेस बहुत कम है इसका. इट कैन नॉट बी ओनली फॉर बुद्धिज्म, एक्सक्लूसिवली फॉर बुद्धिज्म, कम चांस है. ठीक है. हिंदुइज्म के भी है, यस, हिंदुइज्म के भी कुछ है, जैन के भी है, बुद्धिज्म के भी है. ठीक है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मथुरा में है कंकाली टीला इन मथुरा. कंकाली टीला इन मथुरा जैन आर्ट है ये, नॉट बुद्धिज्म. इन मथुरा आर्ट वी हैव कंकाली टीला and this art is regarding Jainism and not Buddhism. मतलब मथुरा आर्ट में बुद्धिज्म जैनिज्म दोनों है, हिंदुइज्म भी है. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. क्वेश्चन 11. Question 11. Again statements about Buddhist philosophy. and you have to choose correct statement. So 3 statement you have about Buddhist philosophy. Buddhist philosophy से 3 statement है and you have to choose correct statements. ठीक है? जैसे for example, in a state of nirvana, third statement है, in a state of nirvana और nibbana लिखा है consciousness completely ceases, not ceases consciousness. What ceases is desire ceases, craving ceases, and not the consciousness. Like Gautam Buddha got nirvana. So when Gautam Buddha got nirvana, where he got nirvana? Which place? Which place? Bodh Gaya in Bihar. So after Gautam Buddha got nirvana, Gautam Buddha never lost consciousness. How Gautam Buddha can lose consciousness after nirvana? In third is incorrect. Means this is incorrect, this is incorrect, this is incorrect. So only answer will be A. ठीक है? Clear है? How can Gautam Buddha lost consciousness once after getting nirvana? Cannot be. Gautam Buddha was highly conscious, but Gautam Buddha lost cravings or desires. What Gautam Buddha lost was desires and not the consciousness. ठीक है? बहुत कॉमन सेंस का क्वेश्चन है ये. How can Gautam Buddha lost consciousness after nirvana? ठीक है? So answer will be A. ठीक है सबका? क्लियर है? हाँ बोलिए. नहीं, कैवलियर जैनिज्म में बोलते हैं. हाँ, निर्वाणा ही है, मोक्ष कंसेप्ट नहीं है कि हम स्वर्ग में चले जाएंगे. नॉट कंसेप्ट ऑफ, हाँ एक ही ऑलमोस्ट. मोक्ष नेवर मीन्स आई विल गो टू हेवन, नॉट फ्री फ्रॉम साइकिल ऑफ रीबर्थ. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Again a statement. We have statements regarding Buddhism. 3 statements. 1, 2 and 3. And you have to choose correct one. Correct one, not correct one. Correct at least 2 or 3. ठीक है? So we have 3 statements. First statement is the Sutta Pitak. Sutta Pitak. Sutta Pitak is about what? Teaching of Gautam Buddha. In this Sutta Pitak, the main teaching of Gautam Buddha, besides Gautam Buddha, some teachings of Buddha disciples also contain. Disciples like Ananda. Ananda was one of the closest disciples of Gautam Buddha. Ananda and Upali as well. So in Sutta Pitak, Gautam Buddha teaching is primary teaching, main teaching. But besides Gautam Buddha teaching of his disciples as well, like Ananda contains. It means not those of disciples. It means this is incorrect. ठीक है? The first is incorrect. Means this is cannot be. This cannot be. This cannot be. Answer will be B only. ठीक है? Again I am repeating. We have 3 Pitak. Out of 3 Pitak, Sutta Pitak is largest Pitak. In this Sutta Pitak, over 99% teachings, Buddha teachings. But some teachings are teachings of disciples of Buddha, like Ananda. ठीक है? क्लियर है? तो एक स्टेटमेंट अगर मालूम है ये इनकरेक्ट है तो आंसर हो गया. बिकॉज दिस कैनॉट बी, दिस कैनॉट बी, दिस कैनॉट बी, ए कैनॉट बी. तो ओनली आंसर लेफ्ट इज बी. ठीक है? चेक कर लेना, क्रॉस वेरीफाई कर लेना. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभिधम्मा पिटक emphasized philosophy. ठीक है. Second, Tripitaka was not compiled during lifetime of Buddha, after death of Gautama Buddha. Means second is correct, third is correct. नहीं, अगर ओनली लग जाता तो गलत हो जाता. नहीं, 99% फिलोसफी के अलावा मेटाम्साइकोसिस, ये भी है. मेटाम्साइकोसिस, ठीक है. साइकोलॉजी, ये भी है, बट प्राइमरली फिलोसफी. यहाँ लिखा नहीं, लिखा है कि ओनली, इट लिखा है कि एम्फसाइजेस. अगर लिखा एम्फसाइजेस ओनली तब गलत हो जाता. अगर लिखा होता एम्फसाइजेस ओनली फिलोसॉफिकल एनालिसिस, दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. ठीक है, तब आंसर कुछ और होता, बट ओनली है नहीं इसमें. ठीक है, तो जहां लिखा है ओनली, एक्सक्लूसिवली, चांसेस है ये गलत है, नहीं होता है ऐसा. ठीक है, क्लियर है. थोड़ा सा रीजन अप्लाई करके, लॉजिक अप्लाई करके आराम से बनाना. यू सॉल्व योर आंसर नॉट इन ए हरी, नॉट इन द इम्पेशेंट वे, एकदम कूल, एकदम काम. ठीक है, एक अगर मिल गया तो हो जाएगा. और क्रॉस वेरीफाई जरूर करना, जरूर करना क्रॉस वेरीफाई. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. ओनली स्टेटमेंट है, बहुत स्टेटमेंट है, तो स्टेटमेंट क्वेश्चन बहुत होता है इसमें, स्टेटमेंट बहुत होगा. कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट जैन फिलोसफी. उसमें से करेक्ट यू हैव टू चूज करेक्ट आंसर. यू हैव 3 स्टेटमेंट्स एंड आउट ऑफ 3 स्टेटमेंट्स यू हैव टू चूज करेक्ट वन. करेक्ट, मोर देन वन, मे बी 2, मे बी 3, देखते हैं. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल थर्ड स्टेटमेंट पे आओ. जैन फिलोसफी डजंट कंसीडर ईश्वर और गॉड टू बी क्रिएटर ऑफ द यूनिवर्स. यस, करेक्ट है, क्योंकि बुद्धिज्म जैनिज्म दोनों में ये बोला गया है कि गॉड इज नॉट द क्रिएटर. बुद्धिज्म में गॉड डिनाइड, जैनिज्म में गॉड इफ एक्सेप्टेड. तीर्थंकर से पोजीशन नीचे गॉड का. ठीक है, ये तो करेक्ट है. ठीक है, so this is correct. First is Jainism consider the world to be beginningless and endless. Yes, जैनिज्म ये बोलता है कि संसार को किसी ने बनाया नहीं और संसार का एंड भी नहीं होगा. संसार कंटिन्यूअस है, बिगिनिंग कंटिन्यूअस है और एंड भी कंटिन्यूअस ही होगा. नो एंड ऑफ द यूनिवर्स एंड नो बिगिनिंग ऑफ द यूनिवर्स. तो ये तो बिल्कुल करेक्ट है. ठीक है, फर्स्ट इज करेक्ट एंड थर्ड इज करेक्ट. अब देखने डी पे आता है, यू हैव टू नो ऑल द 3 हियर. आफ्टर द अटेनमेंट ऑफ लिबरेशन, मोक्ष, द सोल इज रीबॉर्न इन द वर्ल्ड अगेन. नहीं, अगर मोक्ष ही हो गया तो सोल का रीबर्थ नहीं होता है. तो ये जो स्टेटमेंट है ये गलत है. इट मीन्स सेकेंड को हटा दो, तो ये हटा दो, ये हटा दो, ये हटा दो, आंसर विल बी सी. अगर इसको पहले कर लिया होता तो मिल गया होता. ठीक है, सो इन जैनिज्म सोल एग्जिस्ट. ऑन दिस सोल वी हैव impurities. Through tough life, painful life, we can annihilate the impurities. उसको बोलते हैं निर्जरा. So what is निर्जरा? निर्जरा is annihilation of the impurities on the soul. और अगर निर्जरा आ जाएगा, you can get कैवल्या. And कैवल्या जब आ जाएगा तो फ्री फ्रॉम साइकिल ऑफ बर्थ एंड रीबर्थ. ये तो होगा ही नहीं. नहीं, आत्मा को बोलते हैं सोल. सोल इज आत्मा, सोल इज आत्मा. ठीक है, आत्मा पे बहुत सारा इम्प्योरिटीज है, इम्प्योरिटीज, उसको इनिहिलेट कर दिया हमने, खत्म कर दिया, डिस्ट्रॉय कर दिया, तो एक स्टेज आया, उसको बोलते हैं निर्जरा। निर्जरा का मतलब होता है डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ऑल द इम्प्योरिटीज ऑन द सोल, या annihilation of all the impurities from the soul is called as निर्जरा। अगर क्वेश्चन है कि कौन सा रिलीजन में निर्जरा को माना गया है, जैनिज्म, ठीक है, सो निर्जरा इज द annihilation of all the impurities from the soul in निर्जरा। और अगर निर्जरा आ गया यू कैन बिकेम कैवल्या, ठीक है, और कैवल्या किसको मिला था? तीर्थंकर्स। So all the 24 Tirthankas got Nirjara and Kavalya. ठीक है, next question number 14. Question number 14. Again statements about Buddhist traditions. Again you have 3 statements about Buddhist traditions and choose the correct statements. ठीक है, 3 स्टेटमेंट में चूज करना है कौन करेक्ट है। तीनों हो सकता है या 2 हो सकता है, ठीक है। सो नाउ कम टू देखो, बुद्धिज्म में वी हैव 3 मेन सेक्ट्स, टोटल 18 सेक्ट्स, 3 मेन सेक्ट्स, ठीक है, हीनायाना, महायाना एंड वज्रायाना। वज्रायाना का डेवलपमेंट कहाँ हुआ है? विच एरियाज? बंगाल, ईस्टर्न पार्ट। तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है, तो ईस्टर्न पार्ट लिखा हुआ है, तो दिस इज इनकरेक्ट। तो फर्स्ट इज इनकरेक्ट, C incorrect, D incorrect. So only answer will be B. Vajrayana developed in Bengal, eastern part, not in western part. ये तो लिखा है वेस्टर्न पार्ट, ठीक है। तो सिर्फ एक से मालूम हो गया हमको, बिकॉज ए के नॉट बी, सी के नॉट बी, डी के नॉट बी, बिकॉज तीनों में ये है, करेक्ट है, एंड फर्स्ट इज इनकरेक्ट, नॉट द करेक्ट वन, ठीक है। ये भी डिस्कस किया था हम लोगों ने। हीनायाना में गौतम बुद्धा वाज ए टीचर, महायाना में गौतम बुद्धा बोधिसत्वा, so this is correct, this is also correct, ठीक है। बोधिसत्वा, like any bodhisattva, which bodhisattva, like पद्मपाणि और बहुत सारा है, अमिताभ, पद्मपाणि, बहुत सारा है, 108 bodhisattvas. So this is very simple question, very simple, not the tough one. Now come to question number 15. Question number 15, ठीक है। Question number 15 is again statements about social impact of early Zen and Buddhist traditions. सोशल इम्पैक्ट के बारे में है, सोशल इम्पैक्ट के बारे में है, बोथ बुद्धिज्म एंड जैनिज्म, एंड दैट इज अर्ली बुद्धिज्म, अर्ली जैनिज्म, ठीक है। उसमें से कौन सा करेक्ट है? यू हैव टू चूज करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स, ठीक है। देखते हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 को देखो, 2 को देखो आप। You analyze statement number 2. In both the traditions, women had full equal rights in religious life from the beginning, लिखा हुआ है, नहीं होगा. So second is incorrect. So D is incorrect, C is incorrect, B incorrect, means only A. ठीक है. Both traditions opposed rigidity of the Varna system. Yes. See, both traditions gave more importance to ethical conduct. Yes. Not ritualism. Ethical conduct. When this is correct, and this is incorrect. So answer will be A. ठीक है. समझ में आ रहा है कैसे करना है आपको? How to solve your questions in examination hall when we have lot of stress, time factor सब है वहां, 100 क्वेश्चन होगा. ठीक है. तो ठीक से पढ़ना, एकदम केयरफुली, वेरी पेशेंटली. ठीक है. एक बार 2 बार आराम से क्रॉस चेक कर लेना. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 16th number. Again statements. Sorry. Again statements. And which are correct. दो को जरूर मार्क करना. स्टेटमेंट्स एंड करेक्ट मार्क कर दो. कौन करेक्ट है? 3 स्टेटमेंट है आपके पास. तो 3 स्टेटमेंट्स. जैसे फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, हैव टू लुक 3 स्टेटमेंट, तीनों देखना होगा. A result of this treaty, Chandragupta Maurya obtained some territories in present-day Afghanistan and Balochistan. Regarding Seleucus and Chandragupta Maurya, yes, because Maurya got Kabul and Kandahar in Afghanistan from Seleucus Nicator, most likely after defeating Seleucus Nicator. ठीक है. Because Maurya ruled over Kabul in North Afghanistan, Kandahar in North Afghanistan, and both the area was ruled by Greek ambassador Seleucus general. So first is correct. Second, under this treaty, Seleucus Nicator was given 500 war elephants, because in India you have a lot of elephants. In Greece, no elephants. So Greeks wanted elephants from India. So about 500 elephants given by Maurya to Seleucus Nicator, means second is correct. Third also correct, because after this treaty, marriage between Mauryas and Seleucus did happen. But who married whose daughter is not clear. नहीं, क्लियर नहीं है ना. कुछ सोर्स बोलता है कि चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य के डॉटर से शादी होता है, और कुछ सोर्स बोलता है कि नहीं, सेल्यूकस निकोटर के डॉटर से मौर्य का शादी होता है. बट मैरिज हैपेंड, बट who married whose daughter is not clear. So all the 3 means answer will be D. All the 3. ठीक है. This is simple question. Even in the NCERT book, this is given. NCERT में भी है. सेकेंड, जैसे मान लो कि आफ्टर दिस वार मौर्य गॉट काबुल कांधार फ्रॉम सेल्यूकस निकोटर एंड सेल्यूकस गॉट 500 elephant from India. Because in Greece we don't have the elephants, and Greeks wanted elephants because elephant can walk over marshy land. तो बारे में कुछ यूज था एलिफेंट्स का. So all the 3 statements are correct. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन 17th question. Again statements about Ashoka's Dhamma. After Kalinga War, Asoka introduced Dhamma policy and he propagated Dhamma policy not only in India, outside India as well. What was Dhamma? Dhamma was ethical code of conduct, good conducts, ethical conducts, not only in India, India से बाहर भी. ठीक है? So now come to statements. Appointment of Dhamma Mahamatas by Asoka was done both for administrative control and for a moral reform. सही है. Because Dhamma Mahamata, they are administrators as well. And they had given code of conduct to be followed by the people of India as well. दोनों. तो first ठीक है. First is correct. ठीक है. Third, now come to third. Propagation of Dhamma was limited only within boundaries of Mauryan Empire. Not. It was outside India as well. So third is incorrect. मतलब ये गया. Eliminate. 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 Means answer will be A. Only A. अगर ये मालूम है तो हो जाएगा हमारा. ठीक है. Because third is incorrect. Dhamma Mahamata and Dhamma policy was not only within India, outside India as well. The third is incorrect. If third is incorrect, D is ruled out, C is ruled out, B is ruled out. Means only answer will be A. ठीक है. Next. Next. Question 18. You have two sides. One side we have inscriptions. Other side you have major theme. अशोक का एडिक्ट है बहुत सारा. उस एडिक्ट में मेन थीम क्या है वो बताना है. ठीक है. इंस्क्रिप्शन नंबर 13 मेजर 13 नंबर कलिंग वार है इसमें मेंशन. तो दिस इज करेक्ट. कलिंग वार. इंस्क्रिप्शन 2 एनिमल वेलफेयर है. ठीक है. क्लियर है. एडिक्ट पिलर एडिक्ट 7 एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ड्यूटीज. यस. माइनर ऑफ एडिक्ट अशोकाज इनिशिएशन इनटू बुद्धिज्म. ये तो करेक्ट है. सब करेक्ट है. So answer will be D. All four are correct. Because Ashoka converted to Buddhism. Ashoka converted to Buddhism. And this description is given only in the minor rock edict. Only in minor. Not in the major. ये भी ठीक है. ये भी ठीक है. ये all correct. You have to know all the edicts you have to know. तभी होगा इसमें. Now come to question number 19th. Question 19th. Again statements about Ashoka's foreign relations. ठीक है. You have to choose correct answer, correct one. You have to choose correct answers. ठीक है. Now come to statement 2. Second statement. क्या लिखता है? These foreign rulers are mentioned only in literary sources, not in the edicts. गलत है ये. एडिक्ट में भी लिखा हुआ है. अशोक के एडिक्ट में फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव रिलेशन विथ पांड्याज. चोलाज, चेराज। क्लेंसन है, एडिक में है, ठीक है, इट मीन्स तो सेकंड को हटा दो, डी इज रूल्ड आउट, बी इज रूल्ड आउट, ए इज रूल्ड आउट, आंसर विल बी सी। ठीक है, लिखा है कि ओनली हो ही नहीं सकता है कभी। हाँ, मैंने ही पहले ही बताया है कि अगर लिखा है एक्सक्लूसिवली ओनली तो चांसेस बहुत 0.1% है करेक्ट होगा, इनकरेक्ट होगा ही होगा। कभी पॉसिबल नहीं है कि ओनली उसी में लिटरेचर में ही है, इट वाज नॉट इन द एडिक्ट्स, कैनॉट बी। अगर ओनली लिखा है, एक्सक्लूसिवली लिखा है तो 0.001% चांस है करेक्ट होगा, मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस इट विल बी इनकरेक्ट। ठीक है, अगर ये मालूम है हो गया। ठीक है, ठीक है, सबका क्या है करेक्ट है। ऑलवेज यूज कॉमन सेंस, ओनली एक्सक्लूसिवली ठीक से पढ़ना बहुत होगा। रेयरली, जहां लिखा है रेयरली गलत होगा, ओनली गलत होगा, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम एक्सक्लूसिवली इनकरेक्ट होगा। अगर ये सब वर्ड लिखा हुआ है क्वेश्चन में तो बहुत ज्यादा चांस है, मोर देन 99% कि गलत होगा ही होगा, वो करेक्ट नहीं होगा। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 20th, क्वेश्चन नंबर 20th, क्वेश्चन 20th, अगेन स्टेटमेंट्स। स्टेटमेंट बहुत है, अभी तक सारा स्टेटमेंट है, ऑल स्टेटमेंट्स नहीं हो, दैट इज क्वेश्चन ऐसा ही होता है, क्वेश्चन यूपीएससी का लेवल ऐसा ही होता है। स्टेटमेंट देखो कितना आएगा, ठीक है, बाद में कुछ फैक्चुअल आएगा, बट स्टेटमेंट को अगर क्वेश्चन टिक कर लिए हो जाएगा। ठीक है, स्टेटमेंट है रिगार्डिंग चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड यू हैव टू चूज करेक्ट वन। 3 स्टेटमेंट है, तीनों में कौन करेक्ट है बताना है। ठीक है, इसको पढ़ो। अर्थशास्त्र बताया था मैंने, अर्थशास्त्र वाज द बुक ऑथर्ड बाय कौटिल्य। अर्थशास्त्र क्या बोलता है कि राजा को आइडियल ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऑट टू बी, कैसा था नहीं है। तो अर्थशास्त्र इज अबाउट आइडियल पॉलिटिक्स एंड नॉट द रियल पॉलिटी ऑफ द मौर्यज। राजा को ऐसा होना चाहिए, किंगडम को ऐसा होना चाहिए, अब मौर्य का राजा ऐसा था या नहीं कोई रेफरेंस नहीं है। तो अर्थशास्त्र इज ओनली अबाउट आइडियलिस्टिक पॉलिटी। ठीक है, तो दिस इज इनकरेक्ट, इट कैनॉट बी एग्जैक्ट रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ मौर्यन पीरियड। तो अगर ए इनकरेक्ट है तो डी इनकरेक्ट, सी इनकरेक्ट, बी इनकरेक्ट, आंसर विल बी ए ओनली। कितना बार बताया मैंने क्लास में कि अर्थशास्त्र इज नॉट द रियल पॉलिटी ऑफ द मौर्यज। राजा को ऐसा होना चाहिए, स्पाइज मेंटेन करना चाहिए, क्वालिटीज ऑफ द स्पाइज, इंटेलिजेंस ऑफिसर्स, किंगडम को ऐसा होना चाहिए, अगर ऐसा हो गया तो ऐसा करना चाहिए। सो दिस ऑल इज रिगार्डिंग ought to be king, kingdoms, officers, and not the real description of exact polity of the Mauryas। तो ये तो इनकरेक्ट है, तो सारा चला गया, एक ही बचता है हमारे पास, आंसर विल बी ए। ठीक है, क्लियर है सबका। ऑलवेज अप्लाई द कॉमन सेंस। इंडिका बहुत इनकरेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन है इंडिका में, अर्थशास्त्र रिलाई नहीं कर सकते। अर्थशास्त्र इज अबाउट आइडियलिस्टिक पॉलिटी एंड नॉट द रियल पॉलिटी। ठीक है, यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट, हाउ टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस। यही तरीका है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 21। Again statements about Buddhist stupa। स्तूपा के बारे में have 3 statements and which are the correct one। 3 स्टेटमेंट है, तीनों में कौन करेक्ट है और कौन इनकरेक्ट है। इनकरेक्ट को चेक करो, आप इनकरेक्ट को चेक करोगे हो जाएगा आंसर। एक चेक कर लो इनकरेक्ट को, बताओ कौन है। या हो सकता है कोई इनकरेक्ट नहीं हो। ऑल 3। देखो सबसे ऊपर हर्मिका, जहां रेलिक रखा होता था, तो हर्मिका वाज ओरिजिनली कंसीडर्ड एज ए सिंबल ऑफ एबोर्ड ऑफ द गॉड। यस, हर्मिका स्तूपा के सबसे ऊपर, वेयर वी हैव प्लेसिंग ऑफ रिलिक्स ऑफ गौतम बुद्धा, एबोर्ड ऑफ द गॉड। वेदिका सेपरेट्स स्तूपा एंड सेकुलर वर्ल्ड। यस, वेदिका क्या था, रेलिंग था, वॉल था, तो वॉल के बाहर प्रोफेन सेकुलर और वॉल के अंदर सैक्रेड, तो दिस सेपरेट्स सेकुलर एंड स्तूपा। एंड थर्ड, तो तोरण होता था अर्ली बुद्धिज्म में, सिंबॉलिक होता था, नो आइडल ऑफ गौतम बुद्धा। दिस आल्सो इज करेक्ट, मींस आंसर विल बी डी, ऑल 3। तो इसमें एक भी इनकरेक्ट नहीं है। ऐसा क्वेश्चन होता है थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होगा। अगर एक इनकरेक्ट है बहुत इजी, अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन है थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है। अगर एक भी इनकरेक्ट है तो यू कैन इजीली एलिमिनेट द ऑप्शंस, हो जाएगा। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 22। Again statements about चैत्याज एंड विहाराज। चैत्या और विहारा के बारे में स्टेटमेंट है, एंड विच आर द करेक्ट वन। व्हाट वाज विहारा? मोनास्ट्री। व्हाट वाज चैत्या? बुद्धिस्ट टेम्पल्स। तो फर्स्ट इज करेक्ट, वर्शिप टेम्पल। देखा कि ओनली इनकरेक्ट होगा, ओनली हो ही नहीं सकता है, क्योंकि विहाराज में एजुकेशन भी होता था, विहाराज में पूजा भी होता था, चत्या का दूर है। तो अगर ओनली लिखा हुआ है ए इनकरेक्ट होगा, मतलब टी इज इनकरेक्ट, सी इनकरेक्ट, बी इनकरेक्ट, इजी है। तो जहां एक मिल गया इनकरेक्ट, इजी हो जाएगा। ठीक है, हाउ कैन विहारा विल बी ओनली रेसिडेंस? नालंदा विहारा था, नालंदा विहारा वाज मोनास्ट्री, एजुकेशन भी होता था वहाँ। नालंदा विहारा में चत्या भी था फॉर वर्शिप पर्पस, तो इट कैनॉट बी ओनली फॉर रेसिडेंस, कैनॉट बी। ठीक है, इसको ठीक से पढ़ना। जहां लिखा है ओनली, एक्सक्लूसिवली, रेयरली, इनकरेक्ट होगा ही होगा ये। ठीक है, क्लियर है? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर 22nd। सॉरी, डन। ठीक, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 अबाउट अजंता पेंटिंग। इन दिस क्वेश्चन आंसर विल बी ए, because statement 2 is incorrect, so answer will be A. Question number 26 about Indian classical dances. Again the answer will be A, because this 2 is incorrect. So 2 is incorrect means this cannot be, this cannot be, this cannot be, means answer will be A only. Now come to question number 27. Question number 27. About Indian classical music again. Here, third statement is incorrect. Means we have to eliminate third. So answer will be C. Question 28. Question number 28. 28 is Nagar, Dravid and Vesar. So Vesar is not completely independent because mixture of Nagar, Dravid both. So eliminate third one. So this is incorrect. So answer will be A. Now 29. UNESCO heritage. So here first is incorrect because we have both tangible, intangible. So first is incorrect. So D is ruled out, C ruled out, B ruled out. Answer will be A. Question number 30. 30 is answer is B because A is incorrect. So temple architecture was fully developed in Vedic period. No temples in Vedic time. So this is incorrect. So question number 31. Answer will be D. All the three is correct because here we have correct statements. So all the three is correct. Sabha and Samiti, Bidat and now come to question number 32. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Here we have the philosophy. Here we have major doctrines. Sankhya, Prakriti Purush, Yoga, mental modification, Mimamsa, Vedanta. So all is correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4. B. Question 33 regarding Vedic literature. Answer is A, 1 and 3 only because B is incorrect. Aranyak texts are purely philosophical and contains no reference to rituals. Cannot be. 34. Now come to question number 34. So 34 is 3 statements and all are correct because you have to choose correct statements. Answer will be D. Question 35. In question 35, answer will be B. This is tough one because 1 and 2 is incorrect. So the only option is 3 only. Incorrect statement. Question 36. Question number 36. Answer is B. 2 and 3 only because first statement is correct. So you have to choose incorrect statements. Now come to question number 37. 37 is regarding Gupta economy. So this is correct. This is incorrect because Gupta ji issued maximum gold coins. So eliminate 2. So this is incorrect. Answer is A only. 38. About 38. All Ajanta caves were constructed during Gupta period. Cannot be. Vakataka also. So 3 is incorrect. So A is incorrect, B is incorrect, D incorrect. Answer is C. Now come to question number 40. Question 40. Here we have officers. Revenue officer. Revenue officer is Diwan-e Wizarat. D answer. Answer is D. Now come to question 41. These are the battles and these are the opponents. So first battle Panipat, Babar Ibrahim Lodi, Babar Rana Sanga Kanwa, Chausa Sirsa Suri Humayun, Haldi Ghati Akbar Maharana Pratap, means all are correct. So answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4. B is very simple question. Now come to question number 42. 42 is B, 2 and 3 only, because Iqtadar was not the owner of the land. 43. Here we have office and here we have functions. Mir Bakshi, military. Sadru Sadar, religious grants. Wakiana V, intelligence. Diwan-e Ala, finance. Means all 4 are correct. So answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4. B. Question number 44. 44. 1 and 2 only, because revenue was not only in the cash. Here we have only. It cannot be only in the cash. Produce as well. Question 45. Market control policy. Alauddin Khalji. Very simple. 46. Here we have Chishti orders and here we have founders or leading spirits, saints. So Chishti, Muhyiddin Chishti. So all are 4. All 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. Question number 47. This 47 is regarding Rajput policy. 47. Matrimonial alliance was established will all the Rajput rulers not. Some of the Rajput rulers did not maintain any matrimonial alliance with the Mughals. So first is incorrect. So this is incorrect. This is incorrect. So now come to question number 47. 47. Answer will be B, because first is incorrect. Come to question number 48. This is regarding taxes. Which of the following taxes, 4 taxes, paid by Muslims only? Muslims only. So answer 3 and 4. 3 and 4 only means A. Jizya was by Hindu. Kharaj was by land revenue Hindu. Now come to question number 49. Answer is B, 1, 2 and 3 only. Ramcharitamanas is in not Braj, Avadhi. So this is incorrect. Question 50. This is regarding Mansabdari system. Answer is A, 1 and 3 only, because Jat and Sawars were not always equal. Sawar was less than Jat. Sawar cannot be more than Jat. Question 51. Question number now 51. Answer is C. Answer is C, because Muhammad bin Tughlaq experiments were visionary experiments, but implementation was faulty. So C is correct answer. Now come to question 52. Here we have monuments, architecture. Here we have rulers who built those monuments. So Qutub Minar, Aibak started. Alai Darwaza, Alauddin Khalji. Buland Darwaza, Akbar. Taj Mahal, Shahjahan. Means all are correct. Answer is C. Now come to question number 54. 54. Sorry. 54. This is regarding Mughal rule of succession. This is regarding Mughal rule of succession. It was hereditary, decided through a struggle. Ulema chose the heir. 54. 54 is answer is C, because this is the correct one. 55. This is regarding Mughal paintings. 55 is A, means 3 is incorrect, because most of the Mughal paintings was non-religious, so this cannot be. 56, regarding Amir Khosrow, he was not Mughal time, he was a multi-talented personality. C is answer. Regarding Jabat system, this was very easy question. 57 answer is B, because Jabti system was land revenue measurement system. Question 58, regarding Delhi Sultanate and Mughal administration. Answer is A, because Mughal system Mansabdari, which was absent during Delhi Sultanate. Now come to question number 59. This is modern Indian question. 59, answer is A only, 1 and 3, because economic nationalism emerged not after nationalism but before that. So second is incorrect. Question 60. Question 60, answer is A, 1 and 2 only, because early Indian Congress sessions were entirely representative of common people, not. It was only elitist. 61, here we have the sessions and here we have the president. So A.O. Hume, never the president of Congress session. So this is incorrect. First is incorrect. I mean D is incorrect, C is incorrect. So you have to choose between C and A only. Two options. Lahore Jawaharlal Nehru, Lucknow Ambika Charan Majumdar, 1906 Calcutta, Dadabhai Nauroji, in 2, 3 and 4. Answer is A. 62. Now come to 62. 61, 62. 62 is A, 1 and 2 only, because third is incorrect. 63, Brahmo Samaj, here we have founders and organizations. 63, 63 is A, answer will be A, because here we have organizations and here we have founders. So Prarthana Samaj by Atmaram Pandurang, Tattvabodhini Sabha by Devendra Tagore. So this can be easily matched out. So now 64. Question 64. Answer is A, 1 and 3 only, because Ghadar movement had an international character. Revolutionaries considered only violence against the foreign rule as a method. Entirely Bengal and Maharashtra. Choose the correct answers. So 64 is A, 1 and 3 only. B is incorrect. Now 65. 65 is A, first and 3 only, because Birsa Munda movement was not only regarding religious reforms. 66, regarding Government of India Act 1919. 66. So second is incorrect, third is incorrect. So only corrected hierarchy, and hierarchy was only at the province level. So 66 answer is A. Now come to 67. 67 is B, 1, 2 and 3 only, because there was no any book called 19th Century by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Now come to question number 68. 68 is A, because farmer and worker participation was not negligible, mass participation. 69, here we have newspapers, here we have founders. So 69 is C. 1, 2 and 3, 4. All the 4 are correctly matched. Question 70. 70 is A. 1 and 2 only, because first Congress session was presided over by an Indian. W.C. Banerjee, who was the president of third session. Purna Swaraj, yes. Ideological division, yes. So answer will be 1, 2 and 1 and 2 only, A, because first session was not presided by our Indian. Yes, it was correct. Answer will be D here. All 3 are correct. Question 71. 71 is A. 1 and 2 only, because third is incorrect. Most tribal movement fully embrace the concept of modern nationalism. Incorrect. 72. 72 is, answer is A. 1 and 2 only, because this Act 1909 Act never established fully responsible government in India. So third is incorrect. Question number 73. Answer is D. 1, 2 and 3, 4, all or 4. Abhinav Bharat, Gadar Party, Anusilan, HSRA, all were correctly matched. Question 74. Answer is A. 1 and 2 only, because third is incorrect. Question 75. Question number 75. Answer is A. 1 and 2 only, because third objective, third statement is incorrect. These all are the modern Indian question. Now come to question number 76. Answer is A. First, third and then second. This was 1870 Vernacular Press Act, 1879 Indian Press Act 1910, this 1908. Question 77. Question 77. Answer is A. 1 and 2 only, because third is incorrect. Question number 78. Answer again is A. 1 and 3 only, because this was not implemented. It is implemented. So this is incorrect. Question 79. 79 is D. 1, 2 and 3 all are correct. Question 8080. Answer is A. Only 1 and 2, because they were not permanent merger between Congress and Muslim League Party. Here we have question number 81. 81. Answer is A. 1, 2 and 3. Because Harijan was not by Nehru, it was by Gandhi. Question number 82. 82 answer is again A. 1 and 2 only, because third is incorrect. Question number 83. 83 answer is A. 1 and 2 only, because here again is the third statement is incorrect. 84 Again A, because third is incorrect. Because in Quit India movement we have massive mass participation. 85. Question 85. Answer is A. 1 and 2 only, because third is incorrect. Question number 86. 86 answer is again A, because third is incorrect. 87. Again answer is A, because third again is incorrect. Question 88. Question number 88 is regarding Women in National Movement. Answer is again A, because third is again incorrect. 89. This is regarding, we have statements. Second statement is incorrect. So answer will be A again, 1 and 3 only. Question number 90 regarding Quit India movement. Answer again is A, because third is incorrect. Never immediately. It took a long time to get independence. Question number 91. Answer again is A, because these movements were based on direct opposition to colonial rule. 91 is A, because third is incorrect. 1 and 2 only. Now come to 92. Answer again is A, because first is incorrect, not because of personal difference. Question number 93. 93 again is A, 1 and 2 only, because it did not eliminate Indian press. Now come to 94. 94. Answer is B, 1, 2 and 3 only, because all is correct. Now come to question 95. Answer is D, all 3 correct. 96. 96. Answer is A only, because second is incorrect. Second is incorrect. 97. Here we have the movement, here we have the leaders. Santal Rebellion, Sidhu Kanu, Mudda Binsa Munda, Ramosi Phadke, all 3 correct. So answer will be B. 97. Answer will be B. 98. A only, 1 and 2, because third is incorrect. 99. Answer is A, 1 and 2 only, because third is incorrect. 100. Answer is again A, because this second statement is incorrect. So answer will be A means 1 and 3 only. So this was all about your test discussion. Thank you.